How to use the single-serve brewing accessory with your OXO 8-cup coffee maker. When brewing single cups of coffee, use the single-serve accessory to optimize flavor. Snap the brew basket into place. Place a small coffee filter into the single-serve accessory. Add medium ground coffee. Place the single-serve accessory directly into the brew basket. Use your coffee cup to measure the desired amount of water into the water tank. Place your coffee cup beneath the brew basket. Remove the well cover for taller cups. Or turn the well cover over for shorter cups. Press the power button, then press the 2 to 4 cup brew button to begin brewing. The brew button light will turn off and your coffee maker will chime when brewing is complete. The power button light will remain lit for 15 minutes after brewing is complete.